Hi everyone, it's Michelle here from West Coast Lemons, and today I wanted to talk to you about what you can sue for if you file a lemon law claim. So the first thing you can sue for is a buyback. And what a buyback does is it gets you a return of your down payment, the payments that you've made, as well as your loan payoff. Now you're also entitled to reasonable rental, towing, and repair expenses. Now with a buyback, there are two main deductions. The first deduction is a mileage offset. And what a mileage offset does is it reimburses the manufacturer for the problem-free miles that you drove. So the way that's calculated is the mileage at the time of purchase and the mileage at the time of the first repair. So there's a formula within the lemon law, but when we talk about the mileage offset, that's the mileage we're talking about. Now the second deduction is for aftermarket expenses. So the manufacturer is only on the hook for the car itself. So they're not on the hook for additions such as gap insurance, theft deterrent devices, or those infamous service contracts. So if any of those things were included in your financing, the manufacturer is entitled to deduct those expenses from your settlement. Now the second thing you can sue for is a replacement. So what a replacement does is it gets you a substantially similar vehicle to the one that you're lemoning. Now the only issue with a replacement is that you're still on the hook for that mileage offset. So depending on how far along your ownership you started having issues, this could mean you cutting the manufacturer a pretty significant check just to get out of your lemon and into a new car. In circumstances like that, sometimes a buyback's a better option because at least you'll have that down payment or your payments to help offset those deductions. Now the third thing you can sue for is a cash and keep. So cash and keeps are usually for a little bit more questionable cases where you might not have that many days out of service or that many repair visits, or if the defects really aren't that significant. So just like the name says, a cash and keep means the manufacturer gives you some cash and you keep the car. So you keep the loan on the car, you keep the payments on the car. It's like nothing changed, but the only thing is that the manufacturer is paying you some cash for your troubles, but that's the way you're resolving your lemon law claim. You're still keeping the vehicle. So those are the three things you can sue for under the lemon law. Stay tuned for future videos. Thanks.